Hi there, guys. Back again here with the follow-up video, and actually, I'm gonna add some more stuff at another pair. It's something that I've been looking at. But anyways, this is the Aussie dollar pair. Um, as you guys can see, we had a nice drop from, as expected, from after yesterday's news and today's news. It contributed a lot to it. But anyways, yeah, it it reached the 127 extension today. Sorry about that. Uh, Here, perfect. So as you can see, reached the 127 level today for a first take profit. Um, and Yeah, but I honestly I do not expect it to drop too much. It might reach the 162. Um, we're currently at there's another block right here, consolidation right here. Um, a nice support resistance level, a bit lower, of course. There is a very nice place here where I think we will finally see price drop this red line right here. Um, Let me take this fib. Let me try to take the fib out so you guys can see. But yeah. Um, so yeah, this red line right here is something is some place where I think we're gonna see price going down to. So yeah, there's more room for it to go. Um, Obviously, um, there is a bullish bullish order block below. This is in a sense is kind of a reflection pattern. Um, yeah, so there's a bullish order block sitting right here, as you guys can see. Let me try to zoom in, see if you guys can see it better. So yeah, we're closing into a probable turn back of events, probably reaching the temporary bottom of it. But anyways, I don't like as mentioned before. I do not expect it to drop much lower. But anyways, it was a pretty decent drop. Just uh, just this drop, it was a what 165 pip drop. Pretty decent, I would say. Um, as for the New Zealand dollar, pretty much the same. Um, Price met support, a visible support at the daily time frame. Actually, there's a bullish order block too, sitting right there. Um, Same goes for weekly time frame. Um, and We could, in the case of the New Zealand dollar, we could be building a nice head and shoulders formation. I think it's just it's a bit too soon for me to tell you guys, but we have the left shoulder already in place, the head, and if we indeed if this support holds momentarily, we could have a retrace back up, and then finally we could see prices going down strongly. And as I expect the dollar to, not at the current moment, but in the future, I think it has all the potential to keep going up against all the majors. So I think it's very viable that this might occur. So the dollar being the U.S. dollar lose a little bit of ground right now, do some retracement, repricing, go up before it finally drops. Of course, this is gonna take a few weeks. Probably gonna happen next year, but and it's too soon to tell. Uh, fortune telling doesn't make us any money. What makes us money is actually making the right decisions and taking the right trades. So I'm just guessing here. It's pure fortune telling. It's great exercise for the brain, but we do not make money by through fortune telling. So yeah, um, it's something that I think it's very probable that's gonna happen, but too soon to tell at the moment. So back to the trade. Um, yeah, it was potentially, depending on your entry. This was at the 127 level, 143 pips. So not bad, not too bad as well. As you can see, it also reached the 127 level. Let me try to zoom in. There you go. So it reached the 127 level and support. So yeah, so take profit around that level. Um, so yeah, pretty decent setups. Um, um, so as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I have another thing that I'm looking at. You guys probably can see it from here. I took me some time to figure this out, but yeah, we're seeing a head and shoulders formation on being done at the U.S. dollar Canadian dollar pair. The potential for it to become a nice reversal for formation. And intriguingly enough, this high here, this support, this resistance becomes support. That pretty much sits at the 941 level, around this level. It's basically probably the neckline of this formation. If we pull the fib, it pretty much becomes a reflection pattern in a sense too. But anyways, this second high, the left shoulder high, is right at the 62 retracement level, the fib 62 retracement level. So if we drop to the 1 hour time, the H42. So this would be the bearish order block. This is the bullish candle prior to the drop. So yeah, this 62, a little bit higher than 62, we could expect price to also maybe make it to 70.5. If not, this could have been the order block and the trade is gone, but it wouldn't make too much sense only if we use this fib. But yeah, I'm counting it from all the way to the top. So yeah, potentially this was the order block. I don't know. But yeah, well, I think we pretty much have a head and shoulders formation. Excuse me. I'm very tired. I had a long day with my kids, and my wife is traveling, so my mind isn't at its peak potential. But yeah, we could have seen this this order block as the right shoulder, and if so, no trade, no trade at the current moment. But yeah, if indeed it was, um, um, we still have the head and shoulders formation validated. Um, so yeah, I think we have nice price action going on. Even though we have, we had news, the FOMC news today. Um, Tomorrow, the Scottish poll news, which is gonna pretty much affect the pound. And but all in all, I expect a correction against the U.S. dollar. Not that any technicals or even fundamentals are pointing it that way, but I think the U.S. dollar is currently way overbought. But you never know. If you look at the yields and um, apart from open interest, there isn't really much telling that the U.S. dollar is gonna have a substantial drop. So, but still, we should expect a correction. Nonetheless, we should expect a correction. So, um, yeah. But things have been very interesting lately. Um, um, so, yeah. Um, I'll, I'll see you guys back soon with another video, another potential setup, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.